Game 3 of the finals, Oklahoma City Thunders versus Indiana Pacers. The series is tied at 1-all, June 12, 2025, Independence Day in the Philippines. The game is to be held at the home of the Pacers. Gilgeous-Alexander inside to Holmgren at it's a foul. Running jump shot by Williams, it's good. Indiana is still heading by 1 point. 101-100. Turner scores inside. Holmgren drives, blocked by Turner. Nembhard drives and he was fouled. Outside is Haliburton. He misses shot. Ball was tapped to Nembhard. Drives and fouled. The ball is on Nembhard. Dribbles around. Step back. Good for 2. Gilgeous-Alexander missed a shot on the far hip. Haliburton on the drive. Dunks and he was fouled. Williams on the drive. Blocked by Siakam. Pacers win the game. Final score 116-107. Series now is 2-1 for Indiana. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Peng, and thank you for watching and have a nice day. Abangan ang Game 4 na gagawin sa Indiana sa susunod na bukas.